In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to remove an admin from a Smartsheet account step by step. This is really useful if someone no longer needs full access to a sheet or workspace, or if you're cleaning up permissions to keep your account secure and organized. The process is simple, but it's important to know where to click so you don't accidentally remove the wrong access. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Smartsheet and software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and that you have the necessary permissions to manage access. You'll need to be an owner or have admin rights yourself in order to remove another admin. Once you're logged in, go to the sheet where the admin access currently exists. This is the specific sheet tied to the workspace or project where you want to make the change. When the sheet opens, take a moment to confirm you're on the correct one, especially if you manage multiple sheets across different workspaces. Next, look toward the top right area of the Smartsheet interface and click on the Share button. This is where all sharing and permission settings are managed for the sheet. When the Share panel opens, you'll see a list of people who currently have access, along with their permission levels, such as Viewer, Editor, or Admin. Now, within the Share panel, click on Workspace. This step is important because admin access is often managed at the workspace level, rather than just the individual sheet. By clicking Workspace, you're switching the view to see everyone who has access across the entire workspace, including admins. This gives you a clearer picture of who has higher-level permissions and allows you to manage them properly. Once you're in the Workspace view, look for the option that says Manage Access. Click on Manage Access to open the full access management settings. Here, you'll see a list of users and their assigned roles. Find the person who currently has admin access that you want to remove. Double-check the name and email to make sure you're selecting the correct user. When you're ready, remove their admin access by either changing their permission level or removing them entirely from the workspace, depending on what you want to do. Confirm the change if Smartsheet prompts you to do so. After you remove the admin access, the changes usually apply immediately. It's a good idea to quickly review the access list again to make sure everything looks correct and no unintended changes were made. And that's it. You've successfully removed admin access from a Smartsheet account. This helps keep your workspace secure and ensures that only the right people have full control. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.